Today's video is brought to you by Cinoton. Introducing the Cinoton 52-inch Smart Ceiling Fan. This fan is Cinoton's first entry into the ceiling fan market, and they sent it over for me to try out and show all of you. Cinoton provides everything you might need to install the fan, including hardware for multiple mounting options and extra screws. The fan comes in matte black with reversible matte black to walnut blades. Cinoton includes both a 4-inch and an 8-inch down rod with the fan, allowing for a more convenient installation for those with taller ceilings. Installing the fan is simple thanks to the intuitive instruction booklet, and the fan follows standards set by other ceiling fan OEMs while also providing plug-and-play wiring for the remote receiver. My favorite part of the fan, the light kit, includes fully dimmable, fully tunable white LEDs, as well as dimmer, accent lighting-oriented RGB LEDs. The fan can be operated with the included remote control, or via Cinoton's app, which allows for more fine-tuned, precise control of LED color and fan speed, while also offering Google Assistant and ALEXA integrations. The fan offers a good variety of speeds, vastly improved over other older budget-oriented offerings found with DC motors. The lowest speed is still somewhat fast, but that is to be expected at this point in time, with more expensive boutique brands still fine-tuning their low speeds. The Cinoton fan operates with a maximum airflow rating of 4,300 cubic feet of air per minute, which is at the lower end of average for its size, but a good consistent breeze is provided by the fan, and it easily performs on par with big box store brand fans. Cinoton's first entry into the ceiling fan market has really impressed me. Despite some smaller quirks, the fan offers incredible value and modern creature comforts to customers who are on a tight budget. Thank you again, Cinoton, for sending me your product to review. I look forward to seeing new products from you all in the future.